Picking the right track or specialization will greatly affect your master's degree experience, so make sure you pick right. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Will. I'm an engineering manager and online master's degree student. And on this channel, I discuss my experience with online learning and my growth as a software developer. In this video, I will give my advice on discovering the best track and specialization for your CS degree. First, you need to consider your likes. Determining what you want to get out of the degree is the most important thing to consider. You'll be the one spending late nights working on homework, watching hundreds of hours of lectures over the next couple years, so you want to make sure that you select something that you enjoy doing. Here are 3 simple questions you can ask to discover your likes. What types of problems do you like to solve? What type of project tasks have you enjoyed in the past? And what do you want to work on in the future? Computer science majors can find jobs working on various types of problems, so knowing what you like to work on will help narrow down your favorable track specializations for you. For example, do you like longer research problems with data analysis and hypothesis testing? If yes, then data science and machine learning could be a good fit. If you enjoy writing code and not much else, a software engineering track or a generalist track is potentially a fit for you. Looking back at your previous project experiences can help guide you towards the right track. Did you work on an entry-level project, exploring a new technology like cloud or artificial intelligence and thought it was interesting? A master's degree in CS allows you to expand your horizons and explore new technologies and build new skills. So don't be afraid to jump in something you observe from a distance or only dip your toe into. Sometimes people start a CS master's degree to jump fields. If this is you, you want to align your specialization with the skills required to make your career move. Luckily, most of the tracks and specializations geared towards specific career paths are like cloud computing, data science, machine learning engineering, for example. Next, you're going to want to consider your dislikes. On the other side of the coin, you want to know what courses and area study you want to avoid. Knowing what you don't like will help you narrow down a list to a more manageable subset of options. What problems are you least interested in? For me specifically, I knew that I wouldn't be interested in data science type of problems, mainly because I work in a team where I knew it wouldn't find much utility from those skills, and I like to tool build more than analytics and hypothesis testing. So naturally, I eliminated machine learning, AI, and data science types of tracks for me. Knowing what fields of interest you lease or don't provide you much room to grow professionally are good indicators to remove them from your possible choices. An important factor to research is career outlook and the job landscape available to your specializations. The universities that offer CS master's degrees do a good job making sure they're teaching marketable skills to their students, so it's unlikely that you could pick a soon-to-be deprecated skill, but it's still important to make sure that your career outlook looks promising for the track you choose. It's good to observe these 3 components in researching: labor statistics, industry outlook, and hiring trends. When reviewing the statistics and trends, you want to make sure the field is growing and hiring at an increasing or stable rate. You'll also want to know the types of credentials most people have to break into the field you are trying to get into. For example, in data science fields, it might be more desirable to have a PhD than a master's degree in computer science. Lastly, you want to get trusted feedback. By now, you should have a good sense for the list of options for specializations you have and what your top candidates are. Once you have reached this point, one of the best things you can do is to talk to people that you trust on your decision points. So first, you want to talk to your manager. Talking with your manager and leadership team is very important when deciding a specialization, especially if you plan on staying with your current firm post-graduation. Your manager can tell you how the specialization will add value to the team and how it impacts your career growth within the organization. Ask what kind of skills you can acquire to fill gaps or help the company reach their goals and initiatives. Understanding these missing skills will inform you what the best specialization will be for you. Next, you want to talk to your peers. There's value in talking with other incoming CS Mastery students to learn about what their thought process was when they were considering their specializations. This will give you a different perspective and may open your mind to alternatives you have not yet thought about. Next, you want to work with your program advisors. The program advisors for the CS degree you're planning to apply or enroll is a good resource to help you decide the best track for you. The program has a good feel for the recruitment that comes out of their program and the job footprint, and should be able to help align your personal and professional goals with the appropriate specialization within their program. Choosing the best specialization track for your CS degree can be a tough choice, but with the right research and preparation, you can feel confident selecting the best choice for your situation. If you're interested in learning more about enrolling in an online CS Mastery program, check out my short playlist on the process. See you in there.